So ahead of Delhi elections, the Chief Election Commissioner rubbished all claims of electoral roll manipulation, tampering of EVMs and alleged irregularities in voter turnout and poll numbers. The poll panel issued a point-by-point rebuttal. The Chief Election Commissioner, Rajiv Kumar, insisting that every step of the election process is conducted in a closely coordinated manner and in close coordination with political parties, and their polling agents are all a part of it to ensure complete transparency. The question remains, will this stop the opposition, especially the losing side, from raising the EVM bogey and end the EVM debate finally?
आरोपों और इल्जामात का दौर चले कोई गिला नहीं। आरोप और इल्जामात का दौर चले कोई गिला नहीं। झूठ के गुब्बारों को बुलंदी मिले कोई शिकवा नहीं। हर परिणाम में प्रमाण देते हैं, पर वो बिना सबूत शक की नई दुनिया रौनक करते हैं, और शक का इलाज तो हकीम लुकमान के पास भी नहीं।
A poetic response from the Chief Election Commissioner to an explosive political controversy. While announcing the dates for the Delhi Assembly elections, the poll panel responded to questions raised by the opposition, specifically the Congress on election integrity.
Actually, right to question is inbuilt in democracy. It's an inherent right. We respect this. We respect this right. We feel that question करना और उसका जवाब देना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है।
First, the Election Commissioner rubbished charges of EVM tampering.
There is no question of introducing virus or bug in the EVM. There is no question of invalid votes in the EVM. No rigging is possible. No alteration in results is possible by activating a Trojan horse or a virus. Evidence inspires confidence of the court that they are tamper-proof. EVMs are foolproof devices for counting. Allegations of tampering are baseless.
The Election Commission has declared that EVMs are not hackable.
चुनाव की तारीख से 7 या 8 दिन पहले ईवीएम्स को कमीशन किया जाता है, उसमें सिंबल डाले जाते हैं, वो एजेंट के सामने डाले जाते हैं। उसके बाद में उसको मॉकपोल करने की छूट होती है, वो उसी दिन मॉकपोल करके देख लें सिंबल ठीक पड़ गए, उसी दिन उसमें नई बैटरी डाली जाती है, उसी दिन वो बैटरी सबके सामने में सील होती है।
Addressing concerns about voter turnout being manipulated, the Chief Election Commissioner said that it is impossible to change the data.
करोड़ सौ वोट बढ़ा दिए गए। शाम 5 से 6 बजे के बीच बताइए कि लंबी लंबी कतारें कहाँ थी, हमें सीसीटीवी दिखाइए। इस तरह के प्रश्न हमसे पूछे गए। It's a misconceived narrative.
Since the Maharashtra poll surprise, the opposition's EVM doubters became vocal again. Will the Election Commission's clarification be enough to put the EVM debate to rest? Bureau Report, India Today.